This video is going to show you how to do a screen recording using the QuickTime Recorder. You can use the QuickTime Recorder to record in any software you want. Also, some computers will default to QuickTime Recorder instead of the Smart Notebook Recorder. So if you're trying to use the Smart Notebook Recorder and it doesn't look like the one shown in the previous video, you're going to want to go ahead and watch this one for the QuickTime Recorder. Let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is open up QuickTime. So I'm going to click on the spotlight in the right top corner of my screen, and I'm just going to type in QuickTime, and I'm going to open up QuickTime Player here. Now, when you open it, oftentimes nothing shows up, so you need to make sure you look at your toolbar on the top and see that it does say QuickTime Player. The next thing we'll do is click on the File menu, and we have three options. The first one, a new movie recording. This would record using your webcam, so if you wanted to record yourself talking, you could do this one. A new audio recording would just be sound, and the new screen recording will record your sound and whatever's happening on your computer screen. So that's the one we're going to choose, new screen recording. You'll have a new little floating bar that'll come up. Now, if this is what you see when you try to use the Smart Notebook Recorder, that just means that your smartboard software is referring to QuickTime Player. So now it's pretty easy to use. The first thing we'll do is click on this little arrow here on this toolbar, and we'll get a drop-down menu. A few things here. The first is you want to make sure that you choose your microphone, and so we'll use the built-in microphone. The other thing you want to do is look to see where your files are being saved. Now in this case I'm saving to my desktop, and if you click on choose, you can choose a folder or anywhere you want to save your videos. I like to save them to my desktop and then move them, but some people like to create their folders ahead of time. That's all we have to do in terms of settings. Now we're ready to go. So now I'm just going to open up the thing that I want to record, and in this case, for example, I'm going to talk about a PDF that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this PDF, and it's a study guide for my final exam. Now that I have my PDF open, I'm going to go ahead and click on the red circle, and then I'll start recording my video. This is a video going over the objectives that will be covered on the study guide on the final exam. So go ahead and make sure you pay special attention to section 1.2, objective 1, and also objectives 7 through 9. I'd continue recording from here, and I would go through my whole video, and when I'm done, at the top of my screen I can press stop recording. And you can see now my movie is opened up, and this is my movie from QuickTime Player. So let's go ahead and take a look. And as you can see, if I play my movie, this is a video going over the objectives that will be covered on the study guide on the final exam. So go ahead and make sure you pay special attention to, and as you can see, everything I was doing is showing on this video. Section 1.2, objective 1, and also objective 7. Now you can see it's being saved as a .movie file, so you could go ahead and upload this right to YouTube, or you could link it onto your Moodle like that. And that's the end of how to use this recorder. This recorder is really helpful also if you want to be using your smartboard or your Elmo. If you want to use your Elmo, you would just now open up your ImageMate software, turn on your Elmo, and then start QuickTime Recorder as you begin writing under your Elmo. And that's where we'll end today.